Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is week 3 of the remodel recap. And like I told you in the first video, that not every week would be like, we would have a ton to share with you. And unfortunately that week is, one of those weeks is this week because Erin was out of town most of the week working. And so not a lot has gotten done around the home as far as remodel stuff. We worked last night on some of the details of the bathroom, like putting the faucets on. We're working on the plumbing for those still. We painted some things. And I finally picked a light. So that's all exciting things. I just need him to put them up for me. And hopefully that will come either tonight or tomorrow and I can show you. But not a lot of like nitty gritty stuff, but it's coming along. But I thought that I have bought a few things for the bathroom and I thought I would just share them with you here in this video. So let me go grab them. First thing, this wasn't for the bathroom, but it was for Lincoln's bedroom. It's this navy blue pillow that I got from Target and it's so cute. And you can see, let me just put it right there and look at, I love the lumbar with, I just love the combination going on there. I don't know if I said that was from Target. Pretty much all this stuff is from Target actually. I picked up a couple different basket options for the little ledge under the vanity in the bathroom because I didn't know if I wanted to do like a wicker one. But I love this one. Even if I don't use it in there, I'm going to keep it because I really like it. It's really pretty. Speaking of wicker, I got a wicker trash can for the bathroom. And this was the Hearth and Hand all as well. Another basket option I got, but here's the thing is I think I need to actually use the basket for like my curling irons and my hair dryer, and so I don't think I want one you can see through. My idea was to put pretty towels in here, but realistically I think I'm going to need it more functional than pretty. So I'm probably gonna stick with the wicker one. And then this is kind of hard to see, but this is a little 3-legged table. Beautiful wood on top, and I got this to go in the bathroom in a little corner just to like put if like somebody's taking a bath and they need somewhere to put their phone or whatever. Anyway, it's very, very cute. And then the last thing I got was this picture frame. And then what I did is I had this towel from the that I really love that I've kind of based my whole bathroom on. And I just threw that in the back there to give it, because I couldn't find any like art that I liked that kind of matched with the same colors. And so I thought this would work. I don't know yet. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it yet, but I still think it's a good idea. Unless I can find something else, but we'll see. Anyway, that's what I'm working on in my bathroom. I wish we could be like one of those people that could snap our fingers and all of our projects are done, but unfortunately we both work outside the home and we don't have, all of our time is not dedicated to it. So anyway, I'm glad you guys are here and I'm glad you're enjoying them. And let's pray that I have some more good news in this video. All right, I got some progress. I'm gonna show you. Can't really see the light, but it's so pretty. I got it at Lowe's. I'll link it below if you want to check it out. I also got this mirror at Lowe's, but I kind of don't want to show you anything else because I finished it. There's 2 more things that we need to do, and then I'm going to film the room reveal, but I can't wait. The light is so good. I mean, you can't see obviously. Oh, maybe you can. There you go. So cute. It actually came as nickel, but we just spray painted it to match the faucet, and it actually matched pretty well. And I also painted those. So Erin also got some stuff done out in the hallway, so I'll show that to you. All right, this is a disaster, but We did finish the column here. We just need to add one little piece right there, and then that is done. And then he is currently working on this one right here, and hopefully next week this will all be clean, because that's what we're going to work on tonight. Also, if you haven't caught my other videos from last week, I shared a bunch of Valentine's Day content, DIY projects, and that is what I worked on all week while Aaron was out of town. There's a little sneak peek, and then there might be some sneak peeks over there. So lots of fun stuff going on, but we are currently living in chaos. Anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Give it a thumbs up, and subscribe so you don't miss the bathroom reveal, which will be coming up very, very soon. And yeah, I appreciate you guys being here and watching, and I'll talk to you guys next week. See ya. Bye.